Sharing an eatable cookie is okay, but sharing your internet cookie is risky. Let me explain. Don't mistake this with the cookie we eat. This one is present in your internet browser. Cybercriminals find ways to exploit cookies. A cookie enables you to move from one page to another page without need to authenticate it again and again. It makes your move easy. Let me give you an example. If you're buying a book online, imagine if your cart becomes empty even before you check out with the book. Cookies help you to keep your data. It is a text file containing all information about your current web browsing. Cookies generated by the online behavior put your privacy at risk. What do you do? What do you like? What do you want? All of this information is contained in a cookie. Most of the cookies have a longer time to live. Put it in simple words, this is their lifespan to live. Cyber crooks exploit it if not encrypted. Tips would be always clean your cookie while you are not using it. Using